Have you ever wondered how some people are suddenly earning thousands of dollars a month? Without writing a single line of code or having a tech degree, they're not selling courses, not flipping products, not doing dropshipping. They're simply using artificial intelligence, and the way they're doing it might surprise you. But before we dive into that, if you are new to the channel, subscribe for more interesting AI and business contents every day. Now, this is about regular people, freelancers, creators, small business owners, using a powerful tool to make their everyday work easier, faster, and more profitable. I mean, not a robot doing all your work to make you money. So, let's break down exactly how they're doing it. Right now, we're living through something that feels a lot like the early days of the internet. Back then, the people who learned how to make websites or run simple online stores built entire careers. Today, artificial intelligence is playing that same role, and early adopters are seeing massive opportunities. The funny thing? Most of these people aren't tech geniuses. They're graphic designers, writers, video editors, marketers, or even students who realized that artificial intelligence can take care of 70% of their workload. Let's say you're a social media manager. You can use artificial intelligence to plan an entire content calendar, create post ideas, write captions, and even generate visuals, all in minutes instead of days. Now you can handle 5 clients instead of 2. That's not replacing your job, that's multiplying your income. Freelancers are among the first to cash in. Imagine you're a copywriter charging $100 for a blog post. With artificial intelligence tools that help you outline, draft, and edit faster, you can now finish that same blog in an hour instead of 3. You don't need to lower your prices, you just do more in less time. Graphic designers use artificial intelligence to come up with logo concepts and color palettes instantly. Video editors use it to automate subtitles, generate voiceovers, and even remove background noise in seconds. It's not about replacing creativity. It's about amplifying it. The faster you deliver, the more clients you can take. And when your output doubles, so does your income. Small business owners are using artificial intelligence to grow without hiring more people. A restaurant owner can use it to write daily promotions, respond to online reviews, and even generate menu designs. A local real estate agent can use it to write listing descriptions, create email campaigns, and analyze market data. What used to take a full marketing team now happens in a few clicks. That means less time doing repetitive work and more time building real relationships with customers. And the best part, many of these tools cost less than a cup of coffee a day. The return on that investment can be enormous. Now let's talk about creators, the YouTubers, TikTokers, and bloggers who are making serious money with artificial intelligence. They're using it to research video topics that have the highest potential to go viral, generate catchy titles, write scripts, and even produce realistic voiceovers. Instead of hiring editors, writers, and researchers, they're doing everything themselves faster than ever before. Some creators even build faceless YouTube channels, where artificial intelligence helps generate voices, visuals, and storytelling ideas. The result? They can produce consistent, high-quality content without showing their face. And once those videos start getting views, the ad revenue, brand deals, and affiliate income follow. Here's where the bigger money starts rolling in. Entrepreneurs are using artificial intelligence not just as a helper, but as the product itself. Some build small software tools like chat assistants for websites, automated resume writers, or image generators and charge users a small subscription fee. Others create digital products like templates, prompts, or online guides and sell them to people who want to save time. One person built a simple website that uses artificial intelligence to turn podcast recordings into short video clips and now earns over $20,000 a month from subscriptions. Another sells personalized meal plans generated automatically, earning passive income every day. This is the new wave of micro-SaaS, small automated software businesses that can run with minimal effort once they're built. If you're someone who loves teaching or sharing knowledge, artificial intelligence has opened a brand new income stream for you too. People are creating short online courses, ebooks, or consulting services that help others understand how to use artificial intelligence in specific industries. For example, AI for teachers, AI for real estate agents, or AI for social media marketers. Because most people still don't fully understand how to use it efficiently, experts in even one small niche can make a full-time income just by teaching it. 7. The smartest way to start. You don't need to build the next ChatGPT. You just need to find where artificial intelligence can make your work easier or make your clients happier. That's it. Start small. Pick one thing you already do, like writing, editing, designing, or planning, and find a way to automate part of it. The moment you save time, you're already earning more money. Then reinvest that time into learning new tools, creating content, or taking on more clients. That's how people are quietly building side hustles and even full-time businesses around artificial intelligence without needing big teams, fancy offices, or coding skills. Artificial intelligence is not a magic. It's just a tool, but one that can dramatically change your income if you know how to use it. The people making the most money right now aren't necessarily the smartest or the most tech-savvy. They're simply curious. They experiment. They find small ways to add artificial intelligence into their workflow, and suddenly, they can do what used to take hours in minutes. That's how freelancers scale. That's how creators multiply their content. That's how small businesses grow faster than ever.